Hello, my name is Toby Keith. Yes, you heard me correctly. And no, I'm not the country singer. I am from Brandenburg, Kentucky, and I attend Radiant Church, which is also in Brandenburg, Kentucky. Radiant Church is pastored by Jeff and Dina Hackard, whom we love very much. I'm very honored to be a part of a worship team that is blessed with many talented singers and musicians. If you're ever in the area, you want to check us out, swing by and visit us. We'd be happy to have you. Or you can check us out on the web at www.radiantchurchky.com. A little bit about myself. I work for the federal government. I have 3 children. Evie Ann, who is 4.5, Oliver, who is 3, and Miss Carrie Lynn, who is 15 months. I love them all dearly. With that said, I've been through some pretty trying times over the last couple of years, but one thing I've learned is that God is faithful and He never changes. Regardless of your circumstances, He is always faithful. So today, I'm excited to be here, and I hope you are too, and I'm going to do a song that ministers a lot to me, and has helped me through some pretty difficult times, and I hope it speaks to you as much as it's spoken to me. Are you hurting and broken within, overwhelmed by the weight of your sin? Jesus is calling. Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well? Jesus is calling. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Leave behind your regrets and mistakes. Come today, there's no reason to wait. Jesus is calling. Bring your sorrows and trade them for joys. From the ashes a new life is born. Jesus is calling. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was born with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Yeah. Oh, what a Savior. Isn't He wonderful? Sing hallelujah. Christ is risen. Bow down before Him, for He is Lord of all. Sing hallelujah. Christ is risen. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgiveness was bought with the precious blood of Jesus Christ. Oh, come to the altar. The Father's arms are open wide. Forgive